Alrighty. Ooh, this is so uncomfortable. Okay. So I'm trying this out for the first time. These they're kind of like GoPro, but they're sunglasses. Supposed to record everything. So today I'm riding my CB500f. Just going for a little quick ride without the baffle. The #1 fan right there. We're not going far because it's cold. Just gonna get out for a little ride. Test out the glasses. Actually, it's not so uncomfortable anymore. This is the first time on this bike with these glasses. And what am I riding? Did I mention it already? It's a Honda 2015 CB500f. Today I took off the baffle just for fun. How's that look? We'll see. We'll do a comparison. See if you can hear me better, if you can see better, if you can see anything at all. Who knows? Let's find out. These glasses work out okay. I could do more rides with them. Trying to fog up. Alright, look at that sky. Ooh, it's a little cold today. I didn't bring any gloves or nothing. Look at that sky. We're in December. That's a pretty nice day today. I think right now it's probably about 50 degrees. Maybe a little warmer. Haven't been on the bike in a while. I don't want to wait for this light. I'll make a turn, what the hell. Take a scenic route. Let's see. Do I want to wait? Not really. Go up this road a little bit. So anyways, if you see my other videos, you know with this bike, got some modifications a little bit. I got a little cheap $35 exhaust pipe on there, and it's working out pretty good. And the exhaust has a removable baffle. I changed the handlebars so it's more straight. I got a fork brace, so it's a little more stiff on the front end, which I think made a big difference. What else did I do? Got this windshield, which I don't really like to use unless I have to, but it is colder. That handles great. I mean, I'm sure it can handle better. You know, it's got low end components, but you know, it's a fun bike. You're not going to be racing anybody with skills on a faster bike and beat them. But if you want a bike for fun, this is a great bike for fun. I use it to commute most of the time. I'm trying to think what else I've done to it. I know I've done little things here and there. Very comfortable bike. Got a neutral riding position. With the handlebars, I'm a little bit more forward than it was stock before. It was kind of further back and it felt kind of goofy. So this is a more comfortable stance, a little more aggressive looking. I really like it. I mean, could it use better forks? I mean, you know, you can always use better everything. You can't get. You can always improve on everything, I'm sure. But for the money, know, it's hard to beat. One thing about this bike, the only really complaint about it, and it actually might be enough to get me another bike, is the fact that it misses third gear for some reason a lot. Not all the time, but a lot. And for some reason it does so more when it's cold. Now, the guys in the shop think it's me. I don't think it's me. But it does seem like the engagement point on the shifter is kind of small. There's not enough room for air, maybe? I don't know. But I don't have any problems with any other gears. So I think there's something wrong with it. I think it might be a bent fork. What do they call it when they shift the gears? I forgot what they call them. Shifter fork or something. Inside the transmission. Gear shifter box, whatever. It's under warranty. They checked it out. They said they couldn't find anything wrong with it. But there's something wrong with it. I'm kind of used to it now. At first it was really annoying, so I might just live with it. Let me think, what else? I didn't like the hand grips, but I don't think any of them stock are comfortable. They were kind of narrow, so I got a little something to make it a little wider. See, I missed a gear right there. Anyways. Okay. So that was my ride. I actually did some video on my phone too. So, did it go? Oh, I think it stopped by some point. Oh well, that's life. Whatever. Okay. Well, that's my bike.